Hi again, and welcome to West Gray. It's a beautiful day, Saturday. It's going to be a gorgeous weekend, and yeah, I should be droning and taking some good videos, but I'm not. I sold a lot of my drones, and because of that, and not ordering certain ones, I was able to collect enough money to purchase some other toys. So today we have the Ryobi 20-inch brushless 40-volt electric lawnmower with a 6-amp battery, okay, all included. It's got a 5-year warranty, limited warranty, which is great, and Ryobi's got a superb customer service rep, so we're good. It all comes assembled in the box. You don't really have to do anything, so let's get it unpacked and see what it's at. It's unpacked. There we go. And all we have to do is turn these knobs, lift it up, turn them back, and we're ready to go. And here's the 6-amp battery, and here's the grass catcher. It goes on here, and we go. And there we go, ready to go. I did a little bit of cutting yesterday, and I'll put a little bit of video in here. I did these both sides here. Worked flawlessly. It's a little bigger than what I really wanted, but I couldn't give up the deal. It was $100 off. So it's going to do for the ditches and the sides where I can't get with a big lawnmower. Okay, and with a 5-year warranty, can't really go wrong. Negative so far, it takes about 5 hours to charge the battery from 1.5 bars. There's 4 bars on the intelligent battery. 1.5 to full, it's about 4 to 5 hours. Other than that, can't see anything wrong with it. When you take it apart, you lift, pull, it comes straight off. And to store it, that extends as well. So you've got lots of room to store it. Put it down, turn the knobs, turn them back again, and to store it, just like that. That's pretty simple. So I don't think I can go wrong. As I said, I played with it yesterday. And it worked pretty good. Flip these up. And away we go. So let's see a little bit of the video and enjoy. I'm gonna be doing a few more of the tool videos because I'm not buying any more drones. So again, this is the 40 volt 20-inch brushless Ryobi, 5-year warranty, and it's all plastic, nothing to rust. So when I'm cleaning out underneath, it's all plastic. It's not going to rust. I'll keep it in the garage, build a shed, away we go. Okay? Got a few more other toys to show you a little later, but for now, this is my latest new toy. Okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. size of the driveway, very rough. Didn't really pay much attention. So it's about the 3-inch mark. And it did pretty good. Let's move the camera a little bit. And it did pretty good, pretty even. Nicely cut, nice and high. And we looked on the other side. Here we go. And it's cut pretty good. Not too bad. It'll do perfect for the ditch. Perfect. So that's that side cut. Tomorrow I'll get the tractor out and do the rest. So let's have a look at what it caught. So how much is in the bag? Hold it back here and just lift straight up. And it's pretty full. It's about 3/4 full. That's pretty good. And how much battery do I have left? It's 80% still charged. So I'm assuming I'm going to get at least an hour out of this, which is perfect. Beautiful. Nothing wrong with it. It's light. Ish. I just empty that somewhere into a bin and we'll wait till tomorrow. So far, Ryobi 40-volt brushless electric lawnmower. Can't say much about it this wrong. Thanks for watching.